Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 8.1 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started we'll need to add it to the toggles right here by tapping on a pencil and finding hotspot, hold it and drag it over. Go back and there it is. So from here hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where we can then tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot and number one, change the password. Now by default just some kind of random password that is being set every time you set up a device. So we can remove that one and set our own. The only thing that it needs is 8 characters in length. Rest is completely up to you. And there tap on OK and that's it, you have a password now. Now at the top you have hotspot name. That is just going to be the name that is visible in the Wi-Fi list. It's what you're going to be looking for to connect. Then you have security, keep it as it is. You can choose none, which then allows anybody to connect to your hotspot. And then you also have advanced with an AP band. I would advise you to try the 5 GHz one. And if you can't see completely the Wi-Fi, that means that your device doesn't really support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. But if it does, then that's better. The 5 GHz is faster and stronger, overly just better upgraded version. While the 2.4 is more of an outdated, let's call it first gen Wi-Fi. So any kind of smartphone can connect to the 2.4. The 4.1 will be better, but only relatively newer devices can connect to it. So if, for instance, you can't connect to it, all you need to do is just go back here and drop it to 2.4 instead. And once all that is set, simply go back and you can now enable your hotspot. So let's go to the notifications and tap on and there we go. Once you tap on the mark right there, the hotspot toggle, it automatically becomes enabled. And once you're done with it, you want to tap on it again to turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.